was
That's
pretty
cool.
good.
I saw one right before I knocked over. It just kind of spider webbed.
Whoa.
It spider. Oh, that was cool. Spider webbed all over the place.
That's all it gave me.
I get like 10 minutes.
Kind of moved off a little bit.
Oh, that was sweet.
I think it's cool.
That's cool.
God, it's awesome.
Whoa. Oh, did you see that little like?
Whoa.
That's a lot of
Dang.
lightning over there, ain't it?
That is a lot of lightning.
That's a badass storm right there.
Thing was mean.
That's a bunch of lightning.
Yeah. That's all on the other side of the river on that there, ain't it?
Sorry, Tripwoods.
And down towards Swansboro. It goes further down. It went down towards Swansboro on there too. So
Did anybody get the tornadoes near us? Like real?
Jacksonville got a couple. Bayboro had one. Two. Not Bayboro. What is it?
Ooh.
Between there and
Belgrade?
Oriental.
Ooh.
Arapahoe. Arapahoe had a tornado.
Me, Virginia.
Hadn't heard really anything about them.
That's so much lightning. Oh.
Ooh.
Sean got that one on video.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has like 10 minutes of video. That one was big. It's a big bolt there. That's so much lightning.
Yeah, that's a light show right there. Ain't nobody do it like God.
The Greeks would think Zeus was pissed off. That's crazy how it's like
See
just.
the low clouds pushed under, you can see the high clouds now.
Yeah.
So neat, you see all that up in the high end.
Oh.
I'd like to be out on the ocean and see that coming.
I'd cry.
Have a shell bash your boat and go the other way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, stars out there.
Blown on through.